Next, Xiaomi 13 Lite is on the supply of SAM Gen 1, and will he be able to outbid the previous Xiaomi 12 Lite smartphone? Let's see, friends. With the release of the Mi 13 series to the international market, Xiaomi has also announced the Mi 13, which offers improved performance and video capabilities compared to the 12 Lite. Just like the Chinese version of Xiaomi Qiwi 2, this model is equipped with a 7 Gen 1 or 7 generation SNAB chip, the first, which provides more than a 20% increase in GPU performance and more than a 30% increase in artificial intelligence performance compared to the 778G 12 Lite. The processor uses a 4nm tech process in Samsung, including 1 core and 710 with a frequency of 2 and 4 GHz. However, the new phone still uses the memory L4X, which is currently outdated, and the SF2.2. If we talk about internal memory, it will be available in 2 configurations from €499. By the way, friends, I put it on my Telegram channel, and it turned out to be much cheaper there. Why? Because at official dealers, friends, it costs about 32,999 rubles, which is 7,000 rubles cheaper than on AliExpress. Here, friends, is an interesting difference. If you want to take the maximum version of 8256, then it is about 38,990 rubles, that is, 5,500 rubles cheaper than on AliExpress. This, by the way, very rarely happens, and I recommend you to take it from the officials. The phone, by the way, has MIUI 14 pre-installed on the basis of Android 12. It is equipped with a 50-megapixel Sony AI Mix Sensor 766, an 8-megapixel Sony AI Mix 355 and a 2-megapixel macro lens plug. Here the improvement is obvious. Only the flagship sensor of previous generations is installed in the main camera. This sensor is equipped with an ultra-low dispersion optical glass lens that provides better image quality over the edges of daytime shooting, but higher light transmittance and better noise reduction. In addition to significantly improving the hardware of the Xiaomi 13 Lite cameras, it is also equipped with the Mi Image Brain system, which increases the camera launch speed, shutter speed in all scenarios, including night mode, compared to its predecessors. The most interesting thing is the so-called dynamic island. After all, he appeared at the Xiaomi company. This is a dual selfie camera like a new iPhone, but the functionality is of course very different. What is it? Friends, how do you like it? Be sure to write in the comments. The smartphone has a 32-megapixel front camera and an 8-megapixel depth of field sensor with a viewing angle of 100 degrees, the so-called mini-wide. There is automatic cropping of group photos, and if by the way you compare with the Qiwi 2, then there are 2 sensors of 32 megapixels. Next is a 655-inch screen, a curved AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400, the refresh rate is of course 120 Hz, the discrete frequency is 200 Dolby Hazen. IP53. As for the battery, it has a capacity of 4,500 mAh, which is 200 mAh more than 12 Lite. It supports 67-watt wired charging and can charge up to 100% in about 40 minutes. In addition, this smartphone has Dolby Atmos Wi-Fi of the 6th generation, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC support, IC is not available in all regions, do not forget about this, and a built-in modem with X62. That such a provocative smartphone turned out to be from Xiaomi.